Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I thought I would give you an update pertaining to the packages that were in limbo that I talked about a few days ago, as well as do a Marc Jacobs wish list, because that is the brand I'm really eyeing on 24S at the moment. One of the packages that I talked about being in limbo was my return to 24S. I had purchased two large totes, a Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in a Jacquard large size, as well as the Coach Cargo Tote 42. And I had used a gift voucher, and I thought I could return one of them and then the gift voucher would be applied to the other, but that just wasn't the case. So I ended up returning both of them, and craziness ensued. The package went all the way to France and then managed to get separated from its label and came back to where I live in the Midwest. And I have been told by 24S that now the package has the appropriate documentation attached, and so it should be headed back to France. So someday I should get another credit in the form of a gift voucher to use on 24S. So with that someday in mind, I'm dreaming of what I might get with that money. Before I get started, I wanted to show you my bag of the day. I paired the beautiful Dress Up Your Purse mini Boston bag with a blouse that I've had for quite some time that has little hints of the same shade of purple in it, and I just love the look. I'm having so much fun shopping my closet since I have lost a little bit of weight. The shirt didn't really fit me very well, and now it does again, and it's like getting a whole new wardrobe. Since I just showed you my bag of the day, I have to tell you a little secret I have been keeping. I have changed my mind about what item I want to do for my 7,000 subscriber giveaway. And so since I talked about the giveaway item, which was the mini Boston bag in the graphite gray by Dress Up Your Purse, I just can't bear to part with this. But I do have two other bags that are brand new that I purchased that were $100 retail each, and I figured that I could substitute those in for this one, and that way we could have two winners when I hit 7,000 subscribers, and that will increase your odds of getting a new bag. The two bags that I wanted to highlight or to show you for the giveaway are by Urban Expressions. So first is this Birkin-like fabric bag. Now Urban Expressions is all vegan, and so they are, I guess, cruelty-free. I have all kinds of cruelty here in my closet with all the leather. I don't think anybody was mean to the animals. I hope not. But this doesn't have any leather on it, and it's made out of a really cool material. I just don't think I'll use it, but I love the weave. I would say it's like a Jacquard, and it fastens up like a Birkin bag. So you turn that lock, open it, and it has basically a slot the strap fits into. And it's a really nice medium-sized bag. It has that shoulder strap that's hanging from it, and it opens up big and wide to a really pretty interior. The strap has a lot of adjustability, so you could probably wear it crossbody. What it's set on is a really good shoulder length for me, and I think that this is cream and navy, but it may be cream and black. I can't really tell. But again, the brand is Urban Expressions, and this retails for $100. The second item is a nylon fashion tote, again from Urban Expressions. It does have just a tiny bit of the vegan leather trim on the zippers and just a little bit on the strap up at the top. This fabric feels really good, and this bag is so smooshy. You could make it very compact for travel. It's all nylon on the inside, and it has some mesh pockets as well as a little pouch that you could put your makeup or sunscreen or whatever you wanted to carry in. I think this would be an awesome gym bag. It does have this one exterior zipper pocket, which you could put your wallet in and carry it facing your body, and it's a very neutral gunmetal type shade of gray. With regards to the credit that I anticipate getting back from 24S, I was thinking I would just get the same bag, the large Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the camel Jacquard. But after looking at the website more, there have been some changes and sales that have happened that are making me question that decision, especially after several of you told me that the fabric would get dirty, that it wasn't a good material for a travel bag, and since I picked up my Longchamp Pliage City Tote in the taupe shade. And by the way, if you want to pick one of these up, I think they are completely sold out everywhere but Bloomingdale's, and I will link it down below. I haven't seen them available anywhere else in this color and size. This is the large Pliage shoulder tote, and I do think I'm going to end up using this one on my trip to the Mediterranean in about a month. So since I have that travel tote, the question is what Marc Jacobs tote would be best? And I know I could get a myriad of other contemporary bags, but I am really into Marc Jacobs right now, so I'm honing in on that brand. So I have two of these the tote bags. These used to be called the Mini, and this one is in the color Cement. I also have True Red, and there are certain ones of these that are on sale on 24S, and I will link them down below as well. But the colors included are the True Red, the Rose Dust, and perhaps one other shade in the small leather size. And the only one of that bunch that I would be interested in is the Rose Dust. And I have bought and sold the Rose Dust twice, and I don't think I should do it a third time. There is a reason I don't hang on to that color. I don't know what that reason is, but for some reason, I just do not hold on to that color. I love it though, and so I am tempted. I am tempted. I don't know if third time's a charm for Miss Rose Dust or if I should hold strong. I'm also looking at the black in this size because I think the black with the gray lettering is so versatile, and so that is a color I have also considered, but I don't know. I don't know that I need any of these, but I think it would be around $130 if I got one of the Rose Dust ones, or if I got the True Red, it would be even cheaper, but I already have the True Red. And the black is just a lot more. So it's $355 and I can get 15% off plus the $139 off. It's still a lot more than some of the other options. So then I started looking at the medium size because I don't have any of the medium size, the tote bags. And there's one that has a straw effect type look, but it's made out of a material and apparently it feels really good. And that one is on sale, and then I would get the $139 off. And so that's tempting. Now, all of these I would have to pay $20 shipping and tax on, so you have to keep that in mind. There is also a black mesh one in both the large size and in the medium size. And I do think that this may be a super good option because if I remember correctly, I think the price was $192 for the medium size. So with $139 off, even when you add the $20 shipping plus the tax, it's going to be well under $100. And so I am really thinking about trying the medium. My friend Julie with Agent Bag Reviews has the medium in the Jacquard in the light beige shade with the black trim, and she says it is so comfortable to carry with the black strap. I'll link Julie's channel down below if you haven't checked her out. She is a fabulous source of information. So I am looking at those two mediums, the black mesh, which I thought would be an amazing pool bag, as well as the straw effect one with the black lettering. I think both of those could be awesome bags to have. I'm not sure how sanitary the straw effect one would be or how dirty it might get or look on the bottom. The mesh one though, I feel like you could just hose it off and it would be very easy to wipe with even a Lysol wipe, probably with no issues. Now the mesh one also comes in a large size. So the question is would that be a good option? How foldable is it? I mean, could I fold it into thirds and stuff it in my suitcase? Because that could be amazing to have some towels in and sunscreen and maybe a few pool toys or even a raft you have to blow up. I don't know. It seems like it would be a great bag to be able to carry to the beach or to the pool. And if I did go to the beach, which I'm not going to on this upcoming trip, I don't think, but when I do go to the beach, I generally want a very big bag to carry snorkeling equipment and stuff like that. And the mesh one in a large size might be perfect. There is a code available, and I'm going to put all the codes I know of down below for 24S that is first 30. But it doesn't work for the large black mesh. So the best discount I can get on that one is 15% off. And so it is substantially pricier than the medium size. So I'm really just kind of undecided. I mean, I think the medium size would be just fine for my boys and I to go to the pool because I do have those really skinny microfiber towels. If you haven't found those, they are amazing for packing for vacation. If you're going to stay like at a condo or somewhere where you need to bring your own towels, they pack super small. I could fit 6 of them easily into that medium-sized bag and have towels for a whole slew of people besides myself and still be able to put sunscreen, a fanny pack, whatever in that medium bag. It'll be interesting to see how long it takes 24S to get me credited back, or if the return package ever really makes it back to them after this whole snafu of losing its label. I almost wonder if I should have taken it home with me from FedEx and then applied a new label provided to me by 24S myself, rather than letting 24S work with FedEx to get the box relabeled, because now it's out of my hands and I just have to rely on them. And I have a feeling that if it doesn't ever make it back to 24S, I'm going to have a hard time getting my money back, which will be very frustrating. But I'm ever the optimist. I am already shopping with the money I don't have. And so hopefully it all works out and I can pick one of these bags up that I talked to you about today. I really don't know what I will do. I feel like a lot could change with the sale, with the codes between now and when that credit hits. So right now I'm just sort of dreaming and trying to think of what would be the best option. And I would love to hear any of your feedback if you have any of these bags. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.